The relative volume at time indicator on TradingView is a convenient tool that allows traders to evaluate the intensity of trading activity compared to historical norms at a specific time during a trading period. By identifying whether current volume levels are above or below average for the same time across previous sessions, it helps uncover market anomalies that could signal significant opportunities or risks. You can add the indicator to your TradingView chart by navigating to the Indicators menu and searching for it. The indicator works by calculating the ratio of current volume to the historical average volume for corresponding time points. This calculation is flexible, with traders able to choose between cumulative mode, which tracks the total volume accumulated from the start of the period, and regular mode, which focuses on individual bar volumes. Cumulative mode is particularly useful for gauging overall participation over time, while regular mode provides more granular insights into moment-to-moment trading activity. Customization is at the core of the indicator. The anchor time frame defines the period size used for comparisons, such as daily, hourly, or even custom intervals, while the length determines the number of historical periods used for averaging. This adaptability ensures the indicator can be tailored to intraday, daily, or multi-session analyses, suiting the needs of scalpers, swing traders, and long-term investors alike. A key advantage of this indicator is its ability to highlight deviations in market behavior. For instance, an unusually high relative volume during the opening hours of a session could indicate heightened interest due to news or economic data, signaling potential breakout conditions. Conversely, low relative volume in traditionally active periods might suggest waning interest or consolidation. The relative volume at time indicator excels in integrating with other analysis tools. Pairing it with technical indicators like Bollinger Bands, moving averages, or RSI can provide deeper context. For example, a surge in relative volume near a Bollinger Band breakout could confirm the strength of the move, while low relative volume in an overbought RSI condition may hint at a weak rally. While the indicator offers significant benefits, traders should remain mindful of its limitations. The accuracy of the analysis depends on the quality and consistency of historical data. Furthermore, it does not inherently account for external market factors such as news events or sudden liquidity shifts, which can temporarily distort volume patterns. To mitigate these risks, the indicator is best used alongside a robust trading strategy that incorporates price action and risk management practices. In practical application, the relative volume at time indicator is a versatile tool that enhances decision-making. By providing insights into how current activity compares to historical norms, it allows traders to act on changes in market sentiment with greater confidence. Whether identifying high-probability setups or avoiding low-interest conditions, this indicator is an essential component of any trader's toolkit.